Whoa! Barboza. Oh my goodness!
Urgency. He's got to let his hands go here. He needs a knockout.
So, yeah, he's in there. He's got the reflexes. He's got the experience. Shooting all over the place.
Jeez. Beautiful body kick.
It's like a belt cracking.
Yeah.
You know when you get the belt and you said,
Nice
screw
work.
it, let's get back to my feet. And that's the right thing.
That is looking very strong.
Yeah, as we said on the way in, that's a heavy body kick right into the...
Man, that is get that lead leg beat up.
Beat up bad.
Woo! It won't take many it all away.
Yeah.
Woo! Oh, and woo! And here's the benefit, right, Joe? For the championship.
Oh! Huge left for Joe.